Are you looking for your own private Lake Martin haven? Then look no further than 199 Paces Trace. With 32 wooded acres adjacent to 3 sides of the property and breathtaking lake views on the 4th, this home is a true Lake Martin retreat. On the street level, there's an open concept living room next to the kitchen, and the primary is on the main with the ensuite bath. Upstairs, there are 2 guest rooms with a full Jack and Jill bath and shared shower. The lake level features a family game area, a bonus room, plus half a bath. One of the coolest features of this home is that you have storage galore. Look at this dedicated boat and lawn equipment storage in the boat barn. The Serene location provides plenty of places to relax. You have multiple swings overlooking the 206 feet of waterfront, a lounging terrace, a swimming dock, and a large screen porch which runs the full length of the home. And because it's on the Blue Creek side of Lake Martin, it is an awesome location for lake recreation.